Here's how you can change the colors in your newsletter. We'll start by changing the headlines. So what you do is just select the headline, go up to your toolbar up here where it says the letter A, choose the font color. We'll choose red. Do the one next door, highlight the headline, up to the A, choose the font color, choose red. Now to change these colored boxes around the text, you highlight the text box with your cursor like that, so you get the fuzzy grey line. Place your cursor over the fuzzy grey line, right click and format text box, and you get this menu that comes up. You can see there's line and the color is currently blue. We'll change it to red. Hit OK and it's red. Let's scroll down a little. Let's change this line here. Click on the line with the cursor over the line, right click, format auto shape, and there's the line color. We'll make it red. This box here, same thing, click on the box, right click over the fuzzy grey line, format text box. We'll change it to red. OK. And finally this one, the same, click on it, right click over the fuzzy text box, format text box, change the color to red. And it's the same throughout the newsletter. Now, the one thing that's different is the masthead. Now this blue masthead here is currently a graphic, so you can't change that color, but there are several things you can do. This is what you need to do, is actually delete this graphic. So place your cursor on it, click on it, and you'll see these little circles are around it. Hit the delete button, and there it goes. And now what you need to do is add in a text box. So if you go to your drawing toolbar, you'll see the text box button is there. Click on that, and then draw a text box. You see your cursor turns to a cross. Draw your text box over the area you want to put your masthead, like that. You'll see everything disappears, but don't worry. Place your cursor over the fuzzy grey line, right click, format text box, and now you see you've got various tabs across here. Click on layout, and then you can make the text box appear behind the text. So you just click on that one behind text and OK, and there it is. Now so far what you got is a white text box with a black line around it. Maybe you want to change its color and remove that black line. So click on the text box to highlight it, place your cursor over the fuzzy grey line, right click, format text box. Go to colors and lines, fill color, let's make it a light yellow or something like that. Let's remove the line around it, so line, color, no line, click OK, and there you are. Now you can also put your own graphic behind this. So let's change this text box back to no color. So click on it, cursor over the fuzzy grey line, right click, format text box, color, fill color, click on the drop down, no fill, OK. Now to add in the graphic, just click on the text box once more, go to insert, that's just off the screen, but you know it's at the top of the word menus, insert, picture, from file, choose your picture. This is one I made for someone earlier today. Choose it and insert it, and there you are. And of course this text can still be edited. So that's the basics of changing the colors in your newsletter.